Question 24. What is the degree of the polynomial below? Well, it doesn't get any easier than this. This is a W-shaped polynomial, so it has a degree of 4. Okay, so if it has a degree of 1, it goes like this. It's linear. A degree of 2, of course, is your parabola. An S-shaped curve, we call it, is your cubic. And then your W-shaped curve, I don't know about that, has your degree of 4. The only other question they could ask you is, what is the leading coefficient? And the leading coefficient, these are that's just the number in front of you, the variable with your highest power. So if you have like 2x cubed plus 7, the 2 is the leading coefficient. The only other type of question they could ask you is, what's the leading coefficient? And the leading coefficient, because of the way this opens up, the leading coefficient would have to be positive. Okay, all even powers work like this. Just like this quadratic that I drew has a leading coefficient that's positive. In the case of a linear or a cubic or an odd degree polynomial, leading coefficient positive is shown right here, and it basically means that the function is increasing over the long term. If you have a negative coefficient, then on an odd term it is decreasing. So here's positive coefficients, right, all the graphs. Here's what the negative coefficients would look like. For a linear, it's decreasing. For a quadratic, it's opening down. For a cubic, it's kind of making a backwards S. And for a power of 4, degree of 4, it's a quartic, sorry. A dash line. Sorry. It's making almost an M-shaped, although it should be a little bit more continuous. So that's it for this type of question. Remember all these graphs, and you can do these questions very quickly.